The image you upload determines the quality of every video that follows. Get this step right, and the rest of heygen's process is easy. Get it wrong, and you'll fight uncanny valley issues for the entire life of the avatar. Image specifications. Resolution. Minimum 1024 by 1024. Ideal 2048 x 2048 or higher. Format. PNG or high-quality JPG. No compression artifacts. Aspect ratio. Square or vertical for social. 16.9 for YouTube. File size. Under 10 MB. The 5 critical image requirements. 1. Face fully visible and centered. The avatar's face must be clearly visible from the eyebrows to the chin. No hair covering an eye. No hand near the face. No accessories obstructing the mouth. 2. Mouth closed and neutral. heygen's lip sync engine works best when starting from a neutral mouth position. A wide smile with teeth visible causes weird transitions. A serious closed mouth or gentle closed lip smile is ideal. 3. Front-facing or three-quarter angle. Pure profile shots don't work. The model needs to see both eyes and the full mouth. Acceptable angles. Dead on, best for talking head. Slight three-quarter turn, more natural. 4. Even, soft lighting on the face. Harsh shadows across one half of the face cause animation glitches. Soft, even light from the front or side front is ideal. 5. Clean, neutral background. Busy backgrounds confuse the segmentation engine. Plain colors, blurred environments, or simple settings work best. You can replace backgrounds in heygen later. Example: a perfect heygen source image, avatar shot dead on, soft window light, eyebrows to collarbone framing, neutral closed mouth expression with slight smile in the eyes, plain off-white background, 2048 x 248 PNG. Avoiding the uncanny valley. The uncanny valley is the creepy zone where an avatar looks almost human but something feels wrong. Heygen videos fall into it most often because of too perfect skin. Generate images with natural skin texture, visible pores, slight imperfection in the prompt symmetrical faces. Real faces are slightly asymmetric. Add natural facial asymmetry to your generation prompt. Frozen eyes. Eyes that don't move or blink read as dead. Heygen handles this automatically, but start with a relaxed gaze, not a stare. Unnatural smile. Full toothy smiles often look manufactured. A subtle, warm, closed-mouth smile is more believable. Pro tip: if your test video feels off but you can't pinpoint why, try a slightly imperfect source image. A small mole, slightly uneven smile, or visible pore detail all help. AI-generated perfect faces are exactly why audiences feel something is wrong. Step-by-step upload process. Log into heygen. Click Avatars in the sidebar. Click Create Avatar. Photo Avatar. Upload your source image, one of the talking headshots from Lesson 2.2. Heygen runs a face detection check. Fix any warnings before proceeding. Name the avatar with your character's name. This is internal. Only you see it. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for processing. Run a 10-second test script to verify quality before generating real content. Test script for quality check. Use this exact script for your first test video. It contains a mix of vowels, consonants, and pause types that exposes lip sync problems. Example: Hi, I'm avatar name. Today I want to share something important with you. The way most people approach this gets it wrong. But there's a simple fix, and it only takes about 30 seconds to learn. If the lip sync looks natural and the head movement feels human, you're done. If anything looks off, regenerate the source image with a clearer face and try again before going further.